Alright, here we are today, Sunday, October 4th. It's 3 p.m. We'll be sounding the horn multiple times for the last time. The horn that is up there is well over 60 years old, and it is coming down as part of the construction on the roof of the firehouse. It saddens us, but due to its age, it may not be replaced as it is. Rather, it'll be replaced with something more beneficial to the community and to the department. Since the inception of the Gerrittsen Beach community, the fire department has had everything from large bells, multiple sirens, or an air horn to notify the community and the fire department members of an emergency. We will always have an alarm system for the community and for the fire department. We look forward to when our construction is finished and continuing to serve the community. Anthony. All right, Sunday, October 4th, last time the horn has been sounded.